These are the fail-safes, the items you hope you never need, but the ones that can save you when things go sideways. In my experience, you can breathe a sigh of relief when these items are on set. So let's jump right in. Number 1, hard copies of the schedule. For scripted content, it's always ideal for scripts to be vetted and ready to go. But on shoot day, it's a bit of a different story. The talent will probably like to make some changes. So make sure that you budget that time in the schedule, but you also don't want the shoot to take too much time, especially if they're firm cutoffs. So print the schedule and make sure everyone has it, every part of the crew. In my experience, having these hard copies put reminders in the back of everyone's head to keep moving forward and honestly forces the team and the talent to focus. Now, hard copies keep everyone on track, but what's the point of a perfect schedule if everyone is running on empty? That's why my next item is a bit more underrated, the snack list. Shoot days are stressful for most people. Before shoot day, get a snack list for the crew and the talent. The goal is to keep the energy up with food. If it's going to be a long shoot day, of course, have the food catered, but in between stretches, you want to have them take breaks and get their favorite snack. As nice resets, so in the edit, it doesn't look, feel, and sound like the talent is out of energy and grinding through the shoot. So, food helps manage the stress on set, but what about stress that comes from the shoot? This next item might seem a little old school, but it's a tool that can save you from major headaches. The clapboard. For whatever reason, I always thought these were cheesy and only made sense to do in the movies, like it felt official. But if you have that thought, delete it from your mind. This little tool is your best friend in post, especially with more camera angles involved. Recently, a clapboard got me out of a bind as our second camera wasn't properly calibrated to receive audio. Well, guess what? For 12 hours of footage, my second camera had 0 audio. So I had to sync up with a clapboard. It would have been more of a nightmare if I had to try and sync audio from my subject's mouth. Now, a clapboard might be your best friend in post-production, but the next item is your best friend on set. It's a simple tool that shows you're a pro and can save a lot on accidents. Number 4, cable protectors. You've probably seen these at large events, but if you run a small crew, these separate you from the amateurs, and more importantly, keeps the area safe. These have gotten a lot cheaper in recent years, and getting at least one can change how you think about setting up in different spaces. Here's how I use them. I would make a point of entry and exit from my talent with a cable protector and tape everything else down. Now, you might have all of your cables taped down, but what happens when a plug for all of the cameras is suddenly ejected from the power outlet? This brings me to number 5. This thing saved my entire company's butt. Video recording monitors. My first company was a podcast production company, and we were shooting a podcast about 5 hours away from where my team was located. Nice days. We were at the very end of an episode and about to cut when one of the members of talent tripped on a power strip where nearly all of our equipment was connected to. And bang, almost everything was turned off. All 4 cameras' SD cards were not finished compiling, so all the footage from the last 40 minutes was essentially corrupted. This process was about to get a lot longer, and file recovery is always risky. But when I bought this recording monitor, this is the Ninja 5, I found out it has a pretty nice recovery system. So as my producers were in dismay, I knew I still had this as a last resort. And wouldn't you know it, all of our footage from the live cut was perfectly intact. One of the best purchases I've ever made in this profession. I'm curious to hear yours though. Let me know down in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.